This has to be some sort of mistake. I've never even... I'm sorry. You said that Reddington surrendered. Reddington? Why?
We're working on that.
So you're going to tell me that the man who has evaded the FBI for 25 years suddenly decides to give himself up to have a chat with me?
Consider yourself flattered. Harold Cooper, Assistant Director of Counterterrorism.
Yes, sir. I know who you are, sir.
You want to tell us what's going on?
I've been vetted by the agency, same as everybody else. Background checks, psych evals. I'm pretty sure OPR's out there right now, trolling my digital footprint. And you know what they're gonna find? Nothing.